Father's Day. Now, if you ask them, most fathers will probably say it's not that big a deal. Don't you believe them? Hey, I'm Rick Bickling. Welcome to the How To Gardener. Today we're talking about fathers since it's almost Father's Day. Now, if you're lucky enough to still have your father in your life, this is the perfect time to tell him how much he means to you. Being a father is a tremendous blessing, an awesome responsibility, an amazing journey, and a great paradox. And it's a strange job being a father. Your job is to take this beautiful, helpless little baby that depends on you completely for its survival, that you love with all your heart, and raise it up where it'll basically go away and live on its own. You know, the best gift you can give your father on Father's Day is not a gold-plated shovel. Spend some time with him. Tell him how you feel and how much you appreciate him. And while you're at it, tell your mom the same thing if you're able to. So while we're sitting here talking about it, I want to thank my dad. Dad, thank you so much for bringing me into this world, for raising me, for providing for me, for all the good times and the hard lessons, for helping make me who I am today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. But you know what? Dad's still like a well thought out gift. So here are 20 Father's Day gardening gifts for less than $20 each. I put links below, but you can probably find them locally if you want to, whatever works for you. Let's take a look in no particular order.